Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? So today we are going to be doing the 30-day plant-based diet. Now you may be asking why I'm eating meat. That day I was just eating literally meat for the last time before I go to the 30-day plant-based diet. The very next day I start eating vegetarian stuff and blah blah blah. But anyways, I just want to say I've been wanting to do this challenge for quite a while now, and here's why. I've been wanting to do this challenge because I want to see if it's gonna benefit me feel better about myself. What I mean by help me feel better about myself is just see if I feel better, because every time I eat I find myself feeling like I'm going to throw up, or I just have this unpleasant feeling, and I don't want to have that feeling anymore. Because meat is really rough on you. Like, it's already hard to digest. Okay, so I'm at this store, as you can all see, and I'm currently getting ingredients to do the very first week and second week. Grocery shopping sucks. I don't know how everyone can do it. I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup. I'm going to go make a shake for me. And I'll let you know what the shake I'm going to be making today, and I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. I don't know what it tastes like just yet, so yes, I'm so excited. Alright, so I finished this. I ate a salad. I'm full. I don't need to eat anything else, honestly. I'm just like completely full. I couldn't even finish the whole salad. Like, I could barely finish the whole salad. Hey guys, sorry for the camera transition and for the shirt transition. I didn't really describe how the smoothie was made or how the day was going or anything like that. So I'm here to tell you this day. Day one was pretty easy. It wasn't hard. I didn't really miss any meat at all. It was just another day, you know. It was nothing hard. And also, the smoothie I made was a combination of a lot of things. It was with banana, it was with raspberry and blueberry, and I think blackberry. And I think I added a peach yogurt, and I think that's it. I think that, yeah, that's it. That's all I added. And some strawberries. It was pretty good. I loved it. It was not, hard to make. It was pretty easy. And I just used my little blender to blend it. Once again, I didn't really miss any meat. I wasn't like craving meat that day. So yeah, that's day one update. Day two, and I am just chilling. So I just made this drink literally like a second ago, and it's pretty good. Is it my favorite? No. Day two was not explained as well. Day 3 and day 4 and day 5 were all repetitive. But I'm here to tell you how it all went. And yeah. I waited a little while for all the shadows to go away a little, because I can't fully prevent that. But anyways, we are getting off topic. So day 2, the smoothie was gross. Don't ever try it. I'm not even gonna tell the recipe because it's you don't want to try it. It was not good. Anyways, then I had a salad, and then day 3, day 4, and day 5 was pretty much repetitive. I all had different smoothies, and had water and a couple of drinks there of maybe soda. But yeah. That was, week 1 was not hard. I wasn't craving for anything at all. I was pretty good. I wasn't craving any meat. I was not like, I want meat. Nah. We good, we Gucci, we need that. Like, I was not feeling it. I was not like I miss it. So yeah, that's all I had to really say about those days. I had a couple of other ones that I want to share about the smoothie. Day 3 was so much better. It had spinach, but it was at least good. I basically got my, little fruit mix again that is frozen, and added strawberry with that and some banana. And then I added peach yogurt, and I put some spinach, and it in the beginning I was like, oh, I'm not really used to the whole like spinach kind of thing, but I started getting used to it, and it was not bad actually, so I liked it. Day 4, I had a tropical smoothie. I had a couple of things like, some lovely pineapple mango, and some, just the same thing like raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry, and banana, and once again, yogurt peach. Yeah, peach yogurt. Well, it was really good. I recommend it. It was really good. So good. Day 5, I just had pretty much all water and just another smoothie, just like every other day. So, that's all I have to say about that one. It was really, really good. I loved doing, this week. It was not tiring. It was pretty good. It was like, So, I'm gonna tell you how my 30-day plant-based diet challenge is going to look like. This is my way. So before you go typing saying, oh, you're doing it wrong, you should be doing it all, vegetables, nothing else. Cool, that's your own way, not mine. I'm doing it this way because this is my own body, and we all have different types of bodies that can handle this and that and blah, blah, blah. So, I will be having one cheat day every Friday. Every Friday I'll be having, meat. But it won't be like going out to In-N-Out or places that are just like gonna have meat and just eat like everything, No. It's just gonna be like a soft little meat, chicken kind of thing at home. And that will be it for every Friday. But I'm also going to be eating fish. There's a lot of vegetarians that do eat fish, and it's not like a, cheating thing at all. So that's not cheating on the diet. I'll be adding that into my list. So when I do have fish, I'll be eating that. I love fish as well, so it's like, yes, I'm so happy. And I'll be having dairy products. I just wanted to say that before like I continue, because I'm sure I'm gonna get some comments saying, oh, vegetarians don't eat any dairy products and blah blah. No, I researched it, and what I saw from the internet was vegetarians have dairy products, and some have fish, not every one of them, so I'm gonna be doing that. But vegetarians and vegans are two different things. So let me tell you what it is. Vegetarians have dairy products, and some do have fish in their, diet. And then for vegans, they don't bother touching any dairy products or any fish, nothing. They only eat just plant-based stuff. That's it. And I totally respect that. That's really cool that that a lot of people can do that. Just for me, I have a sensitive stomach, and I need protein, and I need all that to like survive. And I eat very little, so that doesn't help. That's why I'm going to be eating meat once a week, so I can have a maintained diet and not have any problems with, low on protein and things like that. So, yeah, that's all I have to say. Also, I feel like I didn't really address this. Week 1 was not tiring at all. I've watched tons of videos, and I mean countless videos of, people trying this 30-day plant-based diet challenge, and everyone's like, the first week I felt really tired and blah blah blah. I didn't feel tired. I was pretty energized the second or third day. First day I was like, I'm not feeling it, but as time went on, the second day or the third day I started feeling it. I was like, whoo,
I am feeling good. So, yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe if you guys didn't like this video. Make sure to comment letting me know if you're a vegan, vegetarian. Let me know if you're a meat lover. I'd love to know. And tell me your guys' experience with being a vegetarian or a vegan or meat lovers. You know, I'd love to know what you guys are eating, and I want to know more. I want to know more. It'd be really, really cool to know more about my viewers. So yeah, thank you guys once again for being here. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you guys didn't yet. Make sure to turn post notifications on if you guys have not just yet to become part of the Crafty notification squad. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Thursday with a new video. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys. Bye. Bloop. Oh, oops. Bloop. You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven.